Hi, my name is Nicole Marcia, and I'm a trauma-informed yoga therapist. I'm here today to share some really simple breathing and movement practices with you that can support stress reduction. These are practices that you could use at home, in school, or maybe even on the bus. So one of the things that we know about stress is that it can create a lot of tension, it can be distracting, and it can sometimes even interfere in our work and in our relationships. We also know that using our breath and certain body movements can support calming ourselves down, increasing our focus, and feeling more connected, both at work and with the people in our lives who matter the most to us. Thank you for joining me in these practices. And just keep in mind, if we come into something and it doesn't feel right for you, it's totally fine just to leave it behind and join in when you feel ready. This is your practice, and we're happy to have you here. So to begin our chair practice for stress reduction, invitation to come to a comfortable seated place on your chair. You might consider sitting a little bit closer to the edge of your chair, and then letting your feet be a comfortable distance apart. Perhaps your knees could be lined up over your ankles here, and if you like, you could bring your hands to rest on your thighs. To start our practice, your eyes could be open or closed, your choice. In your own time, you might bring your mouth to close and start to practice some slow, full breaths, in and out through your nose. And if breathing in and out through your nose doesn't feel right for your body today, of course it's fine to breathe through your mouth. This is your practice. So slow, full breaths, in and out through your nose or through your mouth. Invitation to explore how it feels in your body, maybe to lengthen your exhale a little here. So you could deepen your inhale and lengthen your exhale if you choose. And to begin our grounding together today, you could start out by dropping your attention down to the bottoms of your feet. So you could notice your feet in contact with the floor as you breathe. And then from here, if you wish, you could start to bring your attention up to the center of your body, wherever that is for you today. So maybe you locate your center somewhere in the area of your belly or your heart, or maybe it's somewhere else for you. Invitation to bring one or both hands to rest at the center of your body, if that helps you to notice it more fully. And of course, if you're just not present to a center today, that's okay too. So you might be in the practice of noticing center or no center today. And finally, if it feels right for your body, you could bring your awareness up to the top of your head. Maybe even lengthening up a little here through the top of your head as you breathe. In preparation for our first flow, consider relaxing your arms down alongside your body. So this is an invitation to link the movement of your body with your breath. One option here might be to inhale, to sweep your right arm forward and up, and then to exhale and release. With an inhale, you could sweep your left arm forward and up, and then exhale and release. So this is the flow. You could see how this feels in your body, to inhale, to sweep an arm up, and then to exhale and release. And then to come on into the other side. Pausing at any time, or flowing from my count of 4, 3, 2, and 1. And with your exhale, you could release your arm down alongside your body. On your next inhale, invitation to sweep your arms up. If you're curious about it, you could interlace your fingers. Index fingers could be extended and thumbs crossed. Perhaps with an exhale, releasing for a side bend over to the right. And taking some full breaths here. Eyes could be open or closed. You might notice some sensation arising here. In particular, some sensation in the left side of your body. And then as you're ready, with an inhale, you could come back to center. Perhaps with an exhale, start to explore the other side. You might notice some differences in sensation or experience from one side to the other. And in your own time, with an inhale, coming back to center. Invitation now to exhale, to release your hands back down onto your knees. So your hands could come to rest on your knees in preparation to explore the next flow. If you wish, with an exhale, you could round your spine, round your shoulders, and release your chin towards your chest. Then maybe with an inhale, lengthen your spine, bringing your chest forward. You could tilt your chin up and look up. So this is the invitation for flow, to exhale and round. To inhale, to lengthen, to draw forward and to look up. So you could continue to explore this flow in this way. Or maybe you feel called to link the movement of your body with your breath in another manner. That's up to you. If you're curious about continuing to explore this flow, invitation to practice for 3, 2, and 1. In your own time, coming back to your neutral spine. And for our final form, there's an invitation to explore a twist. And so one way to begin could be a twist to the right. Consider bringing your left hand to your right knee. And then your right hand might land somewhere on your waist, maybe on an armrest of a chair, the seat of the chair. If you choose, you could use your inhale to lengthen through the crown of your head, and then your exhale to support turning and looking over your right shoulder. Eyes could be open or closed. Breathing here for 2. And 1. If you wish, starting to transition on into the other side. Your right hand could come to your left knee, your left hand could come behind you with an inhale, lengthening, and with an exhale, coming as far into the turn on this side as you choose. And this side might feel a little different. You might notice some differences in flexibility or sensation. And then when you're ready with an exhale, returning to center, you could bring your hands to rest wherever you like. Your eyes could be open or closed. Taking a long inhale through your nose. And then if you like, exhale through your mouth. And letting go of any kind of intentional breathing for your practice. And then when you're ready, opening your eyes and making yourself comfortable.